हाँ.
Okay. Actually, I have lost my net connection. Okay, I have lost my net connection. That's why I was facing the issue. So, now, can you tell me that anyone is having any kind of problem regarding yesterday's class?
I have query, madam, but not yesterday class, the day before yesterday class.
What query you are having?
Madam, you told that a sentence contains a subject, verb, and compiler. Now what? That I don't understand.
Subject, verb, and compiler. Which can you share the note with me?
No, madam, you don't have to tell make assignments, but you understand. You understand us that what is subject, what is
Compiler.
verb, what is.
Compiler. What do you mean by a compiler?
Ma'am, he is actually talking about completer.
Yes, 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 madam.
So,
I didn't
क्वेश्चन
understand
ही
the
वैसा आप बोल रहे हो तो हम क्या बोले? सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट समझते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
तो कंपाइलर जो तुम बोल रहे हो तो व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? क्या चीज नहीं समझ में आ रहा उसमें? I have given certain examples of that. I have asked some questions. मैंने वहां से क्वेश्चन भी कुछ कुछ पूछा था.
Yes, ma'am,
तक
but
हमको
I
याद
didn't
है.
understand.
हाँ?
But I didn't understand, and the meeting was over.
क्या?
I didn't understand, madam, what the competitor.
कंपिटिटर क्या है?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give one example? What example I have given you? Can you give me the example? One sentence, please. Please give me the one sentence example. What I have asked. That then I will know that how much you are attentive in the class, so that I can know. Please give me
1
the
minute,
one.
madam.
Yeah, please give me
1
one. Yeah. So since the class is of 40 minutes, I can't wait so long. Jishan, you have asked the question. Please bring the question tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow class we will discuss. Now I should discuss about the phrase. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jishan, because the time limit is very less and I have to complete the syllabus also.
Okay, madam, I understand.
Okay, that's why. Please come with the question. Get ready with the question tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. You can ask me in the WhatsApp also.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Now, next is about phrase at workplace. Can you say me some of the phrases that are used in our working? Suppose I say you. Now it is a very, what I should say, it's a very common language that you will be paid at hourly rate. You will be paid at hourly rate. What this means, hourly rate? What does it means, hourly rate?
मैम घंटे के हिसाब से.
घंटे के हिसाब से. That means the salary is being paid per hour of work. है ना? यही ना? Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
suppose in the freelancer. Now in a time you see that in a freelancer, they have said that you will be paid at fixed hours. So fixed hours, hourly rate, and unsocial hours. Can you say me what are the differences between these things? Hourly rate, unsocial hours, and fixed hours. Some used to say, "Na, yeah, I am a freelancer. I don't have any fixed hours." But when work is there. So what does it means? Fixed hours. That means the working hours of an employee doesn't change and cannot be varied. Unusual hours. Hours outside of the normal working week. That means that they are generally the night shift works. Unusual hours. They're the night shift works. And that time they used to pay some more additional money in this unsocial hours, the person who work. Hourly rate, it is being clear that the money that is being paid per hour of the work. Okay. And can you say what do you mean by a public holiday? You used to say the public holidays. These are working hour expressions of a phrase. Can you say me what are public holidays?
It is not official holiday, but due to some reasons वो public holiday में convert किया जाता है.
Yes, they are not national holidays. They are generally not. मतलब national holiday ये नहीं होता. If something is on some public holidays on, I should say on Thursday, Friday, whichever day, but many people take holidays on the other day off, है ना? ये these are not national holidays. Public holidays हम लोग क्या चीज समझते हैं कि these are not national holidays. ये भी phrase है. These things are also phrases that are being used in the मिस वर्किंग आवर एक्सप्रेशन के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं. टाइम शीट. टाइम शीट क्या होता है? यूज्ड टू से ना टाइम शीट. टाइम शीट इज अ बिग रिकॉर्ड दैट इज यूज्ड इन द नंबर ऑफ आवर्स वर्क बाय एन एम्प्लॉय. ये टाइम शीट. Can you give me golden handshake? Golden handshake. कहाँ पे यूज होता है? This phrase is basically used where? Golden handshake.
Formal hand.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Golden handshake.
Formal handshake.
No, formal handshake no. Golden handshake.
For
ये money से related है.
making payment. For making payment.
No.
Ma'am, when people get retired, they get
Yes.
payment.
When people get retired or when they leave the job, they have a good sum of money in their hand, or you can say a large sum of money in their hand that is being given to someone. It is basically known as golden handshake. क्यों golden handshake? Basically retirement में हम लोग बोलते हैं because that time people used to retire with a good handsome money. So you cannot say always retirement. You can say when a person leaves his or her job and get a large sum of money, that is a golden handshake. Okay. Now, next one I will say you have one to three things. Okay, I will give you two things and you will just say me because ये बहुत easy है. Take off. Just take off.
उतार देना मैडम.
हाँ? No. Take
उतार
off.
देना.
No, I am talking about phrase. Phrase के बारे में हम बोल रहे हैं. I am not asking the meaning. ये phrase हम कहाँ use करते हैं? Take off.
Just
Working.
off
When
your
flight
Aeroplane.
when flight goes
Flight.
off
Working.
the
जो work में है. फ्लाइट एरोप्लेन वर्क में होता है, टेक ऑफ।
स्पोर्ट्स में मैम,
No. A person,
स्पोर्ट्स
no, a person who becomes very popular in a very short period of time. I have earlier only mentioned, I am talking about this working phrases that we use in our work. Put something off. That means you delay in doing that things.
Take off your clothes.
Take off your clothes, what? Take off your clothes means what? I am what? अगर हम यहाँ पे अगर आपको स्कूल के बारे में बोलेंगे, I am talking about school, then you will talk about the college. I am talking here about phrases that used at a workplace, not in your normal day life. The words, हर word का meaning when you add with a sentence it get different. So please listen to the question first what I have asked for. अचानक बीच में से तो you will say any of the sentence in the middle और बोलोगे ये तो वही वाला सेंटेंस है मैम. No. Next. अब हम यहाँ आ रहे कॉमन फ्रेज. ओके, कॉमन फ्रेज. आई एम कमिंग नाउ. कॉमन फ्रेज हम लोग का क्या है? व्हाट आर द कॉमन फ्रेज? कॉमन फ्रेज का मतलब, कैन यू से मी व्हाट आर द मीनिंग्स ऑफ कॉमन फ्रेज?
which can be used commonly.
Yes. What's up? Sometimes we used to say no, what's up? So, WhatsApp is a formal or informal?
Informal.
Informal. Formal में क्या हो जाएगा? How do you do?
How do you do?
Yes, how do you do? I am giving you lead away. I am giving you lead away. What is the correct form? I am giving you lead away. L-E-E-W-A-Y. L-E-E-W-A-Y. Lead away, what does it mean? Freedom. Lead away means freedom. What is your point of view? What is the point of view? Which one is correct? What is the point of view? And what is the point of view? Which one is correct?
What is the point of view?
Very good. What is the point of view? Next. Next, anything from your side? From your side, any one of you, please?
And think out of the box.
क्या? So clearly bolo, please.
And think out of the box.
Okay. Where we use? Where we
And for getting some creative ideas.
for getting some creative. No, where we use? Common conversation, working conversation. कहाँ इसको यूज करते हैं हम लोग? जैसे एवरीडे फ्रेज है हम लोग का, एवरीडे फ्रेज है, वर्किंग है. हम लोग तो आज दो चीज डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं ना. The everyday phrase and the business phrase. We are discussing about these two things na today's class. आज के क्लास में तो दो चीज डिस्कस कर रहे, तो ये किस में है? प्लीज बी इन द टॉपिक. टॉपिक के ऊपर बोलो, टॉपिक से हटके मत बोलो. बाइट योर टंग. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? बाइट योर टंग. दैट मीन्स क्या? कीप क्वाइट. I am exhausted. Exhausted means what? Dead tired. Means I am heavy. Means I am very badly
Heavily
tired.
tired.
Yeah, heavily tired. उसको dead tired. Exhausted. I don't know. Please make up your mind. Make up your mind doesn't mean that put the foundations and all those things on your mind. That means to decide. Make up your mind means to decide. Drop me a line. After this class, please drop me a line in the chat box. That means write me or text me. Okay. These are the phrase. ये सब learn करना पड़ेगा. You can't be remember so much things. You have to learn.
Proactive.
Proactive. How you can say proactive? Means please.
It is also related to profession.
Okay.
This man is so proactive.
Okay. This man is so proactive. Proactive का मतलब?
मैम जो किसी भी काम को, किसी भी वर्क को बहुत फास्टली और सिंसियरली कंप्लीट करे.
Very good. That means a person who respond or who can handle the situation in a very quick manner. है ना? उसको proactive बोला है. तो very good कन्हैया. Next one. That you can know. That's the ticket. Yes, that's the ticket. हम लोग sometimes we used to feel very happy ना जब हम लोग बोलते oh that's the ticket. What does it mean? Means that's it. What is being required? Okay, that's fine. Okay, by me. उसकी जगह हम लोग क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? That's fine with me. Okay. Next one. Can you say me anything else? Anyone, anything else? Hello. Hi.
हेलो मैम.
Yeah.
मैम स्लैंग और फ्रीज इक्वल होता है.
हम स्लैंग और फ्रेज पे आए हैं क्या? Have I come? हम किस में हैं?
फ्रीज में.
हम है किस में? You are engineering student. Okay. If I will say you are engineering student. अच्छा बताओ तो ये वाला क्वेश्चन. If I ask a question from the mechanical branch, हो तो इंजीनियरिंग की ब्रांच तो अलग है ना. The same thing. There are phrases. They have different branches. Have I come to that branch? No, no. So when I will come to that branch, then you will ask me.
मैम
Slowly,
बेस्ट
slowly.
प्रैक्टिस.
What?
बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस.
Best practice.
Yes ma'am. Is it a phrase or not?
Best
I'm in
practice.
confusion.
Best practice. Best practice आप कहाँ
Yes,
पे
ma'am.
use करोगे? In which sense you will use?
In also profession, no ma'am, because this boy is doing his job in a
One
best.
minute.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, best practice in which meaning you will use?
Doing work in a good manner.
Best practice or best practices?
Best practices.
Yeah, best
Yeah.
practices.
Practices.
The best
Yeah.
practice जब होता है वो अलग हो जाता है. When you will say about this best practices, then it is a phrase.
Yeah, ma'am. I'm in
Practice और practice,
confusion.
yeah. Practice और practices में अलग रहता है difference.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Hi. Hello. See you later. Are these things are phrase? Hi,
Yes,
hello.
ma'am.
See you later. No problem. That's okay. Are these things are phrase? Which words are phrase? Any of the words which is not a phrase? कौन सा वर्ड फ्रेज है यार कौन सा नहीं है?
And please repeat all the words.
Hello. See you later. No problem. How?
I think all are the phrases.
Yes, all are the phrases. Hold up. Now, phrasal verb को हम कहाँ से पहचानेंगे? How we will come to know about this phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. How will we know that phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs क्या होता है? Phrasal verbs. Turn on, sit down, come back. These are
Which give the sense of action.
yes, which gives you some of the sense of action, which has a verb particle. Okay, जिसमें verb रहता है, which has verbs.
Ma'am, like come to me.
Yeah, come to me. Hold on. Join. Join in बोलते हैं ना? Join in the class.
Yes, ma'am.
These are phrasal verbs. Some of the phrasal verbs which can you, I'm just saying you, I'm saying you 3 phrasal verbs from break. Okay. Break off, break out, break up. Now the meaning of break off means to end a relationship. Break out, that means to escape. And the third one is break up. That means to separate into pieces.
And breakup is also used for ending the relationship.
Separate, yeah. Break up, break
Yeah.
off. Break off. We used to say ना उसके साथ उसका break up हो गया. That means
Yeah, ma'am.
उसका relationship
Yes.
end हो गया.
टूट गया.
Yeah. और क्या होता है breakup हो गया. They have breakup means to break or to separate. Break has the same meaning of separate because they are being separated. ज्यादातर word used, the appropriate word is break off. Break off is basically used for the end of a relationship. Come across. Yeah, I come across. That means usually by accident. That's something which is not being planned, accidentally happened. Come back means return back. Come on. To develop. You come on, you can. Means to develop, progress. Okay. By changing sometimes of words like up, out, back, down, in, off, along, about, the meaning of the words changes. वर्ड का मीनिंग क्या है इसमें चेंज हो जाता है ना? So your next thing, please note it down. Some of the question I am giving you, please note it down. You have to make sentences from these words. Okay. Just have to make sentences from this word. Please note it down. The first one. Are you ready? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you
Yes,
ready?
ma'am, ready.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes.
turn out. Turn out. Turn against. Turn against. Turn out. Turn against. Turn around. Turn back. Turn down. Turn down. Turn in. Turn off. So again, I am repeating these words. Turn out. Turn against. Turn around. Turn back. Turn down. Turn in. Turn off.
मैम ऑफ में डबल एफ होगा.
हाँ, ऑफ में डबल ऑफ होगा. That means switching off something. Okay. Turn off means that to stop a device or switching off something. Generally हम लोग इसीलिए यूज करते हैं. Please turn off the fan when you leave the room. Turn out का मतलब होता है result or to end up. Turn against का मतलब होता है set against. Okay. So I think there is no problem now. You can do the sentences. These all are the phrasal verbs with turn. Okay. These are the phrasal verbs with turn. All of you have written?
Yes.
Okay. No problem, anyone? Please submit it by today in the Google Classroom. Okay. Now, next one. In phrasal verbs, what we have seen, the meaning of the words have changed according to the words that we have additionally add, like off, in, on, around. यही सबसे words का meaning change हो रहा है ना? Now, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. This is the continuation note of yesterday's class. Okay. Hi. I am. And you. Here. Hi. I am Jaya. And you. Suppose we are meeting someone people. We don't know about them. We have to ask their names. How we can ask their names? In which manner? Hi. I am Jaya. And you. Next. Nice to meet you. After you learn each other's names, it's polite to say this phrase. Hi Jaya, I am Ria. Nice to meet you, Ria. Ria, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Ask this question to find out which country someone is from. You answer this question with I am from. What do you do? This question is generally when you are in job, when you are somewhere there, you are in a meeting, some people you don't know, when you meet with them, what do you do? Next question, what do you like to do? in your free time. First question हमने पूछ लिया, what do you do? Next, what do you like to do in your free time? Instead of asking for someone's job title, I prefer to ask what they enjoy doing. Their responses, answers are usually much more interesting. So Jaya, what do you like to do in your free time? I love to read, I love to read, to garden. I picked 2 buckets of mangoes last week. क्या है? I picked 2 buckets of mangoes last week. वो हमने free time में अपना क्या करते? When I get time from my job, what I used to do? What your phone number? Generally now people ask when they meet someone, do you have Facebook? Now, phrase for work. How can I help you? ये generally use होता है किसमें? Customer care. When they are in work in a customer care, they used to say, hello, this is Jaya speaking. How can I help you, sir? How can I help you, madam? I will be with you in a moment. What time is your meeting? Please call me back at. Oh, really? Actually, I thought. Actually, I. उसके बाद verb add कर दो. I am just about to. I am just about to send those faxes. I am about to go and pick up some mangoes. Do you want anything? Okay, now is it clear how we use the phrasal forms of verbs and how we use phrase in our working? Now, जैसे हमने turn से बनाया, can you make something like this? Come. How many phrasal verbs can you make with come? Come across, come after, come away, come along, come back. These are also phrasal verbs with come. Go. With go, go से हम क्या क्या phrasal verbs बना सकते हैं? Please try.
Go out.
Yes.
Go to.
Go to. No, go to नहीं होता है.
Go away.
हाँ? One by one. Hello.
Go
Go
away.
along.
Ayush Kumar, please speak.
Go away.
Go away. No. Next.
Go along.
Go to. Go back.
Go back. Yes.
Go Corona.
Okay. Go away. Go away हम कहाँ use करते हैं? Go away phrasal verbs है. It is a phrasal verb. I have said no. मैंने दूसरा किसी का सुना उसीलिए बोले go away. Go away phrasal verbs है. कब हम बोलते हैं? When we are very angry on someone, we used to say ना, क्या बोलते? Please go away and don't show me your face. या फिर बोलते please go away and don't come back. Okay.
Ma'am, go to hell.
Go to hell नहीं होगा. You can't.
Ma'am, go ahead.
Go. Manish,
Ahead.
go ahead. Okay, go ahead. ठीक है.
Ma'am,
Very
go
good.
towards.
Go towards. Go
Yes, ma'am.
towards. Go towards. Go towards कैसे होगा? Go ahead का मतलब ही तो हो जाता है कि आगे बढ़ना. Go ahead only means that move forward. Go.
Ma'am, go after. Go after.
क्या? Go.
Go after.
Go after. हाँ, go after is correct.
Let it go.
No. No. Let it go नहीं होगा. Go से go पहले रहेगा. After you have to add these things.
Go far.
Go.
Go far.
Please say me the spelling.
FAR, go far.
Yeah, go far. Okay.
Go back.
Yeah, go back.
Go there.
Huh?
Go there.
Go there. Okay. Next. There are many words. But generally हम लोग क्या क्या use करते हैं?
Go down.
Yeah, go down. But generally हम लोग क्या क्या phrasal verbs use करते हैं go के साथ commonly? Go up, go ahead, go back. This phrasal verbs हम लोग यही सब ज्यादा use करते हैं ना? If I say you should go, you should go dash your essay before you submit it to your teacher. You should go. क्या होगा?
Go through.
Yes, you should go through. Next, anyone? Go through के सिवा? Any word?
Go for it.